Good morning from the Disney Dream. I don't know really how to start off this video because it's Debarkation Day. Again, this is going to be the last time that the Disney Dream sails from Port Canaveral on a 4-day cruise because the Disney Wish is going to be replacing it. So while we see a lot of videos about Embarkation Day coming onto the ship, I've yet to see a whole lot of very helpful videos on debarkation. So let's go over that process together a little bit. As of right now, we're at port. Customs has cleared the Disney Cruise Line for express checkout. So those that were looking to do the express checkout, which I'll explain in just a little bit, are able to do so at this time. We're waiting on the general checkout right now. And what that means with general checkout is everybody's just able to go ahead and disembark at the exact same time. If you're doing express checkout, they have these helpful little luggage tags, and I'll see if I can put that video in for you just in a moment, but they've got these helpful little luggage tags they ask you to attach to your luggage. And then if you're looking to do either express checkout or get off or have your bags taken for you, similar to like how they come on, you want to go ahead, bag up all your luggage minus the stuff that you're going to need for disembarkation, and then make sure that you are tagging each of those luggage pieces and set it outside of your door at night. So the stateroom host or hostess will come around, collect all that luggage, and then take them off to the bins. But you want to pay close attention to the color that's assigned to you. So we were deck 10 forward, and our color was yellow. We had a little Chip and Dale, like marine or nautical style Chip and Dale on our little luggage tags. I'll show you those here in just a minute. But however, that's not the option that we opted for. We didn't opt in for the express checkout or express disembarkation. So we are going to go down for the formal sit-down breakfast, our last and final meal here. We're getting everybody up and ready, getting everything packed up. So we're going to show you what that breakfast looks like as well just before we head out. But it's kind of their last hurrah, parting hurrah before we have to say goodbye. So come along for the ride. Well, this is a familiar sight. We're back at Port Canaveral. You can see the A1A and the Terminal Road. Oh, man. It's kind of nice, though, because seeing so much sea, you know, it's nice to see land. I think that's the Freedom of the Seas over there. It was definitely one of the Carnival cruise ships. It's either the Sunshine or the Liberty, but yeah. It's kind of bittersweet to be home, so to speak. Alright, as you can see, our stateroom host had turned the beds down for one last time. So this was Devin's bed. This one was Natalie's bed. Devin had the lights up here. Kendall took the big bed over this way. Hi, Ken. Oh my goodness, look at our wonderful towel animals for one last glance. Making sure we got everything out. So these are the tags that we had initially whenever we first checked in. Let me see if I can... Oh, somebody doesn't want to leave. Okay, here they are. So these are the luggage tags provided by Disney Cruise Line for the disembarkation process. So on the opposite side, you'll have an option to write all of your personal information, your stateroom number and everything. So that way, once they call for yellow, if you had put your bags out by the door for the end of the night, then they would know which bin you were to go to collect your luggage. Alright, everybody, these are the review cards that they set out in our rooms yesterday to fill out. Absolutely, our stateroom host serving team were nothing short of amazing is what we wrote here. So they asked that you fill one out per stateroom. Guys, huge shout out to Den's, Peter, Rosanna, our assistant server. Peter was our main server, and Silo is the head server there. You know, Den's was our stateroom host. Amazing work by these individuals, and they work so well together cohesively as a unit and as a team and as a ship, and we can't say thank you enough to them. So guys, if you happen to watch this video, we miss you, and we will be seeing you as soon as we possibly can again. Alright, final glances. Oh, we're gonna miss you, Disney Dream. We've had the best time.
On board the beautiful Disney Dream and wish you a safe and pleasant journey home.
Oh no, so they just made the overhead announcement that general disembarkation can begin now through the gangway on midship number 3, or deck 3. So here we go. Off to breakfast. I won't cry. I really won't cry. I promise myself I won't cry. Look at everyone going to guest services, checking out. Oh man, this is amazing. Love how bustly the atrium is. But still, so worth it. Oh, that's where we came in. That's where we're gonna go out too. Oh, wow. Last glances, last photos. I got so caught up in trying to film everything, I forgot that we're going to Enchanted Garden, not Royal Palace. Whoops. One more down. Sorry, Deb, you're a little late for this. Looks like you're wanting to try the Midship Detective, and hate to tell you, we're getting off the ship today. And now the breakfast ensues. They just opened the gates and it's like everybody's flooding in.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Alright, same table as yesterday. Last and final time. I'm gonna go up by the fountain though real quick. Check this out. Whoa, look at Mickey. So magical. Huh? He's an angel? Yeah. Back to normal. We got our phones now. Enchanted Garden. There we go. Oh, here it is. Saves it for a little bit there. Are you rested? Ready for some breakfast? Oh, Devin's still doing some towel folding there.
Hey, Devin.
He's making more towel animals? Yeah.
Actually, I might have to go to work on Sunday.
Oh, you learned another one? Okay. Devin said he learned another one. We'll see how he does.
Good morning.
I started to say, he's getting intricate with these. He's looking up videos on other people doing them and doing them at the same time.
New career, towel folder.
New career. Towel folder for, or stateroom host for Disney Cruise Line. They gave us spoons? Yeah. Oh man, he's getting pretty intricate with this one.
Oh, we need to go ahead and...
Coffee. Disney coffee in the mornings. We all know what Disney coffee in the mornings is, right? But check out how beautiful this presentation is. Doesn't get any better than Disney Cruise Line, you guys. I'm trying to tell you. Okay, so Jonathan and I both got the Southern hash, which has like chorizo, breakfast potatoes. He got it with scrambled eggs. I got them with eggs over easy. I also got the eggs with eggs on the run. I believe I'm supposed to have some bacon too. I don't know that I specified that before, but the kids all opted in for cereal. We got our grits in, and all the kids finally had their cereal. So I'm hoping that we'll have a decent, full stomach meal and be ready to head out of here as best as we possibly can soon. And just like that, you guys, we're no longer a Disney Dream residents. Off for the next adventure soon. But it won't be very long. Not long at all. Who knows? Maybe our next vacation or our next adventure will take us onto the Wish. We'll see. Bye. Thank you so much. Here we go. Make sure that you claim your photos for your cruise here. Daddy's already got it packed. Here we go. Last time we're getting off this ship for this trip. Bye, Disney Dream. If you were disembarking and claiming your luggage that you set out the night before, then you'll go down this way and make sure that you paid close attention to that color on your tag. Okay, this is where you picked up luggage if you left your luggage out from the night before. But we're not doing that because we already have our luggage, so we're going to go and exit through customs now. And just like that, you guys, we're done. That's the last of our adventure, so now out to our car. And now you've seen the entirety of the de-embarkation process.